All right, to my people, and welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, oh hey, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Exactly waiting the be, exactly waiting the people. Them they talk about it. Yeah, so now, my brother, my sister, this matter no count the funny again, no. This set of people, we then call themselves the Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. They don't even pass their boundary. We don't even know who to trust again. How many times I back bomo? Hey, all right, my people. Now many things they sharp, many things they happening onto this level. Hey, everybody can't dey shock say wait to this thing where we dey talk. What if it can't be say the government know about waiting this Dupe Dagboru and the rest of them go do for secretariat unko? Yes, because now we don't know what it can dey sup. Everybody can't dey see say this people where they call themselves Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. This Dupe Onitiri faction, they come outside, come they threaten everywhere. In fact, to the extent they come outside, dying boy, whether they call it Ijile Magote, that one come outside, they come they talk say, this one will be say the governor of Oyo State, Governor Seyi Makinde, they find their mama. Will be say the governor they find the Dupe Onitiri. My brother, my sister, all these people, then everything where we they talk, everything where they happen, and then they see. So they know, say then they find them, they know. Hey, no be smart thing. So now that in boy, whether they call it Ijile got, you can say this one will be say the woman, then they find this their mama so. Maybe Dupe Oni dirty. Say make it the governor, make it just go so we agbeje more say I like this, make it no stress himself at all. Say why you go to stress yourself? Now that is Ijile got they talk amo. Is they tell the governor of Oyo State, say why the governor of Oyo State they stress himself. Say you no need to stress himself at all because this is Dupe where you say you define now by herself she go use her leg and take waka come secretariat to come meet you. My brother, my sister, people can't come and say hey, they don't get these people. Want to get ya want people say they don't get them because this one where they say they can't they show themselves. They come outside, they say nothing they happen, nothing they pa. Now what you can they surprise everybody now be say Chief Sunday Igboho no even do all this one. Una carry about 1 million DSS say now one go buy am for house. But now see this Dupe Dagboru, she come outside. She even dey shook una something for mouth to say, oh yeah, make una cash me. Now maybe this, make una cash me. Now maybe this. Yet una no fit do anything. She even the people they use and they rub on her face. Una stay quiet, waiting they happen, waiting they sup. Everybody now they para. Say this one, what be say? This woman can't they do all this one make it not good be say at the end of the day. Now even send her make it they can't distract this Yoruba Nation. If now it be the case, we no go agree. We no go agree. Because now this boy come outside, can't they tell the whole governor say God go punish him. He say why in they do anyhow? So why the whole governor they stress himself? Say make you know they look for their mama. Say because their mama go enter secretariat by herself, and then the governor go know how far. Hey, my brother, my sister, this one he shockalize me. He shockalize me. Who does that? Who does that? Because now these people come outside, they can't they make plenty noise. They can't they make it plenty mouth to say nothing they happen. Say like this, they not go even send the soldier again. Come Yoruba land of secretariat. They say now only this woman go mash. He go mash gallantly enter their office. Tell them say now maybe this him. Say and then according to what this guy come they talk, say everybody come they surprise. This is Ijile Goto. He can't be surprised say this guy they talk say even if Dupe Onitiri enter secretariat say they no go recognize him. Me I no can understand that part. e come still scatter am say even if dem recognize am o, as e be so, even if dem recognize am, dem no go fit catch am. Hey, na there I for come say wetin dey sup o, which kind drama dey happen like this? Chief Sunday Igboho come outside, he say no, I no like the way wey be say una dey treat my people. I no like the way wey be say dem dey thief our people comot o, wey be say dem go say make my people bring money make dem release them. After dem don even bring money, dem go say kpai dem. See the matter of Dr. Aborode, that man wey be say enter Germany make plenty money. He come say okay, make him come Yoruba land, make him come invest for farm. Then kpai this man upon everything. No, the man no do them anything. Then tie the man, then kpai the man. Nothing happen. We no hear anything. Now Chief Sunday Igboho come outside, come talk say like this, make una stop to dey kpai our people. If una know say una dey genuine, make una come inside city, make una come stay with us. If you wake up in the morning, you say, hey, Daddy Chinedu, good morning. Badi Latifa, good morning. Mama Toyibu, good morning. Me sef, I go greet you. Then if you see ourselves, go know say we love each other. Now waiting for Sunday, but we'll talk about that. But these people, they no agree. They say no, na that bush where they go, they do like a monkey. Now in they want to, because they know say that monkey life will then go fit by anybody. Nobody go see them. Now Chief Sunday go para. We no go agree. If na so, na one do am, make una come out for our land, make una go na land. Simple as ABC. No be say this man look for their trouble. He just say he no want the way una dey kpai our people. But yet these people, they no come out, they no agree. Instead, the way we say the government go support to Chief Sunday Igboho for this is big thing wey he do. The government can't even say make they come kpai am. That before president, whether they call a Buhari, na him be the person where others say make them go kpai am. Now make una see wetin dey happen. Make una see wetin dey happen. Chief Sunday Igboho no do anything. But thank God say they no see am kpai because he dey on the right party. Because of say in they send by in the heaven, God wey dey for heaven, Baba God na him send am make him go rescue all im pikin. Now make we come leave that one. Chief Sunday Igboho no commit o, you no do all those things, but they won't kpai am. But see this woman wey carry hand dey shook for their eye, say kò ní ràgbá fún yín, èmi ni mo wà ń there. At the end of the day, wetin happen? Nobody go meet this woman o. Kò sẹ́ni tó lọ báyà yẹn o. Ṣé ń get ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Now wetin we dey talk about that? Nobody go call this woman. So tey this boy come outside wey they call Ijile Magot. Come dey talk say make he Tinubu make he get sense. Say as e dey so him dey monitor Tinubu up and down. Say he know where him wife dey. You can imagine wetin these people dey talk. Now nobody dey talk anything. Now don hear government talk say then they look for them. No may no go be wetin people dey think o. Federal government make una do well o, because this boy wey be say as in dey so he no get respect. In dey even dey tell una say na dem cause am. Una no dey talk anything wetin dey happen. Who does that? My brother, my sister, this one o kamilo me no gidene. The thing dey surprise me, I no understand. To the extent it come dey say when that time come, make them no stress himself. Say their mama, he go use her leg waka come meet them. Say make Seyi Makinde remember say he dey deceive himself. In fact, he say in the pity Seyi Makinde because Seyi Makinde no get a backbone. No. Say that Seyi Makinde where you dey see, he no get a backbone. No. Say he just the pity am. Now people say sure this guy dey talk o. I been a true self because we don't even understand the waiting they come they sup now. I be they just use people they cash cruise. Maybe they just use people they cash cruise for. I don't understand. He can't talk say this is struggle where we say them don't start to say it dey more than waiting Seyi Makinde and the Tinubu they think. Yes, say by the time them don't descend on the Seyi Makinde and Tinubu, say they no go try am again. Now waiting they say Ijile Magot they talk about that. e dey say by the time dem deal with them, so all this gra wey be say all of them dey do, say by the time himself and Dupe Onidoti enter, say dem go deal with Tinubu, and they go also deal with wetin dem dey call am Seyi Makinde. In fact, they say they must pay for all the things wey they don cause. Say they go pay. Say why you be say you go destroy. In fact, this matter, the thing say they surprise me. They say Marcus, they say the faction of the Dupe Onidoti come outside. They say for them to go destroy that woman house, say plenty money there inside with them thief. Say if the time come, then go release that money with them thief. Now waiting they see they talk be that. You see they want to rope the government. Say government na thief. Waiting all these people waiting them gbojule. Now him be my question. Waiting them gbojule. No be small something, you know. Now I can't say he better make all the government go contact their legal practitioner. Make them call the Dupe Onidoti to order, make them beg them so that then go settle everything. You can imagine people will say them get God, say them pass the government. Now they say make government come beg them so that they go forgive government. My brother, my sister, anybody where they follow these people, whether they call Dupe Onitiri and the rest of them, that person he don't lost staying tete, he no know. You don't say making team, say make them hurry up, make them gather themselves, because them go drag them in no time. But waiting they always they talk be say that time where it won't happen, he no know. And some people see they believe them. Now he get the name where they call them. The name where then they call them. You know, say before that they call them Omi in era 2022. Later they call them the Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. But now the strong name where then they bear now, my brother, he go shockalize you. You want hear them? They say now then they call them Dry Nation. Dry Nation. Now waiting with they call them now be that then be dry, they really dry, then dry. All those one wey they do on social media, everybody don't come outside. In fact, they don't find them wanted everywhere. Now it be the thing where they inscript for their head. Say them be wanted. Baba God now your hand with do unto this next level as the art. Make you no let me call you till I come your way next time. If this now your first time, we be say you they join us onto this channel. I beg you, make it try, make it subscribe, or make it like, make it share, make it for reach where it's supposed to reach. Now so it be as the art. Make it no let am cool. Bó ṣe ń gbóná yẹn ẹ má ṣe jẹ́ kó tutù. Now so it can be onto this one. I till I come your way next time. I say on a bye for now.